Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to prepare question paper using Microsoft Forms. First, we would log into the Microsoft using the URL forms.office.com, and in the home page you will have to click the sign in option. You will be prompted with a sign in tile and you need to use the school given ID and the password. After which you will be taken to the forms and there you need to select group forms. This I might add the most important element of preparing the question paper. And in the group forms you need to select the class that you would be setting the question for, and for that select recent group forms and you will be enlisted with all the classes that your login ID is mapped with. So select the classes from the list below. And once the class is selected, you need to start preparing question paper from the new group quiz. After which you need to make some changes in the settings, like you need to slide off the show results automatically, choose only people in my organization can respond option. You can click the add new check button record name to get check different types of per questions. And then you are good to go to prepare your question. Give your class name, subject name and the assessment number, and also provide and this is how the adding works. Multiple choice, you would keep adding the options and the question. Of course you can use your images only for the question, not for the options, and you can use the correct answer option and you can set it up. And in the multiple choice you have multiple answer options as well. So you can have a list of 7 to 8 elements and the student may have to select 2 or more, and the points are avoided here depending to the question. And for mathematics you can select math option and you will be given an extra math keyboard provided for you for mathematics related questions. And once you are done with one question paper, either you can copy it or you can go with create new. And the text have two types of answers, questions. First one is the short answer where ideally it will be 1 or 2 words, where the answer key can be provided by the teacher. So the question and the answer key. This is because previously we have set up the math, so you need to uncheck that and also uncheck the subtitles. You will be given the actual question. So the question can be typed and your correct answers. Unlike Google form, you need not worry about the spellings. If at all there is any spelling variation, you need to manually give them a score to the student. And if there are any restrictions for the short answers, you can provide restrictions like say only a number or greater than a particular value or between two values. So those stipulations can be set up by using restrictions. Okay, before we move on, the long answer gives us a very descriptive answer type of questions. Another type of question is ranking, where we can have series of steps, let us say 10 steps, and the student has to arrange those steps. Of course, we scramble them, and those steps have to be arranged properly in an order. Of course, the answer key option is not available for long answers and any other different type of questions. Only for multiple choice and short answers, we have answer key option. And the next type of question is, okay, you can use something called a precise date type of questions, where the student has to type the exact date. So another type, the final type of questions is importing the files. You will be prompted with this notification, say OK, and after which you can select the number of files, ideally 5 per question. So if you have 5 questions with uploads, so it will be 25 files can be uploaded, and each file will be minimum 10 MB. Please don't change it to higher values. And of course, points can be awarded. And let us see the preview just for us to know. So the options, this is a multiple choice where the student keeps giving, because there is no option, so it selects all of it, thinking that all of it is one. And a long descriptive answer is where the student can type in multiple lines. So, and this is the arrange the order in sequence. So those options are provided there. And the date, they'll be provided with the calendar, and the student has to select the date. And file upload, once they click that file upload, they'll be given with the file option. This warning message will be given to the students. And all questions, Microsoft provides something called as an immersive reader. So if they probably can't read, they can listen to the question. So that's how the question paper is set up. And so this type of multiple questions, multiple choices with multiple answers, short answers, long answers, date, ranking, and upload type of questions can be used in our question paper. And additional information, no need to save or share the form to any user. Question paper will be made active by the IT department. Can create sections for question grouping. Cannot change the type of questions once a question is added. You can only delete and create a new one with different type. Can copy questions only if required type is same. Can rearrange the question order by using up and down arrows for the question types. Can give answer keys only to multiple choice and short answer type of questions. All other types of questions require manual evaluation. And that comes to the end of our tutorial. All the best. Thank you very much.